Today's video, I will share with you 15 of my highlighted sales from the week of December 13th through the 18th. That's a Monday through a Saturday. In addition, I will throw in one flop of a sale that was kind of a dud. I did still make money on that sale, but we all have those. Just keeping it real, I want to show you the good and the bad. Now, these are not my highest profiting items, but these are items that I think you may be able to find in your local thrift store or Goodwill store so you can make money selling these items online. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed to my channel, so I don't ask this very often, but if you would kindly hit that subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. Now let's get started. My name is Sandra, also known as Piece of Scrap on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon. I am a reseller part-time, however, I do have 20 years of experience selling on eBay. My full-time job as a technology professional, reselling is my passion. Now let's see some of the items that I sold just 2 weeks before Christmas last year. Okay, so we'll start on Poshmark. I sold this pair of Allegria shoes, size 41, which is about a 10.5 in US sizes. They do have somewhat of a heel on them. I paid $3 for these at the thrift store. They were listed for 2 months and sold for $25 on Poshmark, and the buyer did pay shipping. So my profit on this pair of $3 shoes was $17. This Allegria brand, I'm not sure if you're familiar with it, but it is similar to a Dansko brand. So I did include the size conversion chart as well. Next up on Poshmark is a lot of Hampton Court stainless steel spoons. I picked these up because they said made in Japan, and when I did run comps on them in the store, they did sell pretty well. So I paid $2 for this lot of spoons. I do have knives left, so if anyone out there is interested in any Hampton Court knives, I'll put a link below to my eBay store. But this set sold on Poshmark for $28. Again, I paid $2 for the entire lot of 11 spoons. So my profit, $20.40. And the last sale on Poshmark that I'd like to share with you is a pair of denim jeans. These are 7 for all mankind. And I picked them up because they had an A embellishment on the back pocket. I don't normally pick up this 7 from all mankind, but when I saw the A on the pocket, and here it says that on the inner waistband, I did run comps on it in the store and they sold very well. So I paid $4.25 for these jeans. They sold within 2 weeks of listing for $40. So my profit, $27.75. So keep your eye out for these 7 for all mankind A pocket denim jeans. Next, we'll move over to Mercari. I sold this Ariat Western plus size shirt with the pearl snap front buttons. I picked it up because it was a plus size Ariat and the pearl snap buttons. And it was floral, and you don't really see that many floral Western shirts, or at least I don't. So I paid $3.50 for this. It sold in about 3 weeks for $39. The buyer paid my full price on Mercari plus shipping. So my profit on this plus size Western shirt, $30.17. The next item on Mercari is a vintage NASCAR Dale Jarrett t-shirt. I picked it up because it had a double-sided design that was very colorful. I paid $3.50 for this. It sold within 1 week of listing for $24. I did accept an offer from the buyer. I had it listed for $30. So basically he wanted me to pay shipping, which I was okay with. As you can see here, the size and material tag have been cut out, but I did list it based on measurements. So my profit on this vintage NASCAR racing t-shirt, $17.10. Next, we'll jump over to eBay. We'll start with this drug rug sweater. It was new with tags, as you can see here. Baja Joe. I do pick up these Mexican blanket sweaters. They call them drug rugs when I come across them. I paid $3.50 for this at Goodwill. I listed it high at nearly $55. It sold on promotion for $46.65 plus $12 shipping. So my profit after the fees and cost of goods sold on this sweater was $36.03. This sweater was also a plus size 2X. And as you can see here in the title, I've added all of the important keywords, new with tags. The brand Baja Joe, it's a drug rug pullover shirt. I also added hoodie and sweatshirt and poncho. The next item that sold on eBay is a Star Wars pullover sweatshirt for Christmas. It says, "I find your lack of cheer disturbing." This sold within 1 month of listing for $20 plus $9 shipping. I paid $3.50 for this, so my profit on this ugly Christmas sweater, $13.24. And you'll notice also up in the title, I include Star Wars and ugly Christmas sweatshirt. A lot of folks around Christmas time are looking for ugly Christmas anything. The next item on eBay is a Pure Jill J. Jill tunic shirt. This was a new pickup for me with this brand. I've seen a lot of other resellers having success with Pure Jill shirts, so I thought I would give this one a try. I paid $3.50 for this. I accepted an offer of $20 on eBay plus $7 shipping. So my profit on this Pure Jill shirt, $15.16. It actually sold within 2 days, so I was okay letting it go as it was a quick flip. And yes, I would probably pick up more Pure Jill shirts if I came across them at the thrift store. Next up is a new without tag University of Florida baseball cap. I paid $1 for this at a garage sale over the summer. I accepted an offer from the buyer of $17 plus $7 shipping. So my profit on this Florida Canes cap, $16.09. I do pick up baseball caps at my Goodwill. They are just $1, and when they're in good condition, either new without tag or can easily be cleaned, I will pick them up to flip for a profit. How's everyone doing? Have you learned something new today? If so, give this video a thumbs up, which is a like. It's free to do, and it really helps my channel. The next item on eBay is a HiSeas Trading Company Hawaiian shirt. I picked this up based on the tag, and I did run comps in the store. These Hawaiian shirts can be hit or miss. I've not heard of this HiSeas Trading Company brand before, but the comps looked well, so I went ahead and picked it up. I paid $3.50 for this. It sold for $30 plus $7 shipping. So my profit, $24.01. As you can see here, I did list a high of $47. I was shooting high, but the buyer sent me an offer of $30, which I quickly accepted. It sold within 1 month of listing. Next up is a Brazil football t-shirt with an embroidered front. I've had this going on for 2 years. So I paid $1 for this at the thrift store. It sold for $21.15 plus $7 shipping. It is new with tag. I thought it would sell for a little bit more money than this and a little bit faster than it did, but it finally did sell. So my profit on this soccer football shirt, $23.34. These international soccer club shirts can go for quite a bit of money. I'm not sure why this one seemed to sit for so long, but with a profit of over $20, it was worth the wait. Next up is a pair of Spanx Leggings. I paid $3.50 for these. They sold within 2 weeks of listing for $29.87. It was an offer to watcher plus $7 shipping, so my profit, $24.71. Again, there's really nothing special about these. They are black in color, but they are a Spanx brand. The last item I'd like to share with you on eBay is a pair of new with tag Wit and Wisdom plus size pants. I paid 50 cents for these at that gigantic indoor sale we had here in town a couple months ago. I listed them high at $62. The buyer sent me an offer of $25 plus $10 shipping, which I accepted. As you can see here, the retail price on these are $68, but I've had them for quite some time and they weren't getting much attention, so I went ahead and accepted the $25 offer. My profit on these pants, $21.46. I've not heard of this Wit and Wisdom brand before. I did notice that the Absolution slimming panels within these pants, any pants that say slimming or have an Absolution tend to do well on eBay. And they were only 50 cents. They were part of that bag sale, so I went ahead and threw them in my bag as they were new with tags and a plus size. Next, we'll jump over to Facebook. I sold this ugly Christmas sweater from Victoria's Secret. Again, looking at my keywords, I do have Victoria's Secret pink. It's a sweatshirt, and I've also included ugly Christmas sweater. I paid $3.50 for this. This was a local porch pickup for $25. So my profit, $21.50. And another item on Facebook that sold was this vintage aluminum chair. I picked this up because I did notice that the aluminum chairs are selling well on eBay, and this one was quite unique with the macrame seat and back. I paid $6 for this at Goodwill over the summer, so it sat for about 5 months. I had it listed high at $68, but the buyer sent me an offer of $55 plus shipping, which shipping was $39.76. So the buyer was almost $95 all in on this chair. My profit after the fees and cost of goods sold, as well as the shipping charge, $43.89. The last item I'd like to share with you is kind of a flop, but we all have those, right? I still made money on this item, but it wouldn't be something that I would seek out again. It's a new with tag Larry the Cable Guy baseball cap. I paid $1 for this at Goodwill. I was feeling generous when the buyer sent me an offer of $5, so I went ahead and accepted. He did pay $7 shipping, so he was $12 all in. My profit on this baseball cap, when it was all said and done, was $6.02. I just shared with you 16 items that I sold on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, and Mercari last week. I won't go into the nitty-gritty details of the spreadsheet that I have, but I do track every sale and every item that I purchased in my spreadsheet. So I know down to the very penny what profit I made on each item and if I should pick that item up again. If you learned anything from today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do post weekly what sold videos. However, those weekly videos do not include my plush animal sales. Those are special enough to make it into their own video, and another one of those should be coming out soon. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. I will link another what sold video here. Continue watching.